With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In the given question, we have to replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. So here in the first part, it is equals to minus 3 into dash is equals to 27. So here what should we multiply by minus 3 so that it will gives us 27. So here we first consider it to be a. So here we get a is equals to 27 divided by 3, and that here is minus sign. So here we get is equals to minus 9. So the minus 9 is the answer. So here minus 3 into here it should be minus 9 so that it will give 27. We follow the same procedure in the other parts also. So in the B part it is equals to 5 into dash 5 into here it is dash, and that one is equals to minus 35. So similarly we take that to be a, and so a will be equals to minus 35 divided by 5, and that will be equals to minus 7. So here the answer will be 5 into minus 7, that will gives us minus 35. Similarly in the C part it is equals to dash into minus 8 dash into minus 8, and that one is equals to minus 56. So here it is equals to minus 56. So again we let it to be a, so a will be equals to minus 56 divided by minus 8. This minus simply cancel out, and here we get 7. So here we get 7. So here the answer will be 7 multiply minus 8, and that one equals to minus 56. Similarly in the D part we have to find dash into minus 12 is equals to 132. So dash into minus, here it is equals to minus 12 is equals to 132. So here we again take this to be a. So a will be equals to 132 divided by 12, and here we get minus, so that will be equals to minus 11. So here we get minus 11 into minus 12, and that one is equals to 132, and that's our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.